Hello everyone, welcome here in code practice. Today I'm going to give you just a rapid, HTML explanation. So it's just if you are revising it, so this is the best thing you're watching right now. So I just opened my Visual Studio Code and started writing even without bothering. So just open your Visual Studio Code right now. And if you don't have Visual Studio Code, so open your whatever so-called text editor and just start writing. Here I just zoomed so that it can be visible for you guys. So start with HTML tags. They are the basic tags. Then head tag, and head tag consists of a title tag and meta tags. I will be not covering meta tags because they are a deep thing, but I'm giving you the revision. So just a rapid revision can be that meta tags are very much useful for indexing your site on Google. So learn about them. Just a few tags, they are easy to find on any web searches. And then comes body tag. In body tag we can have different tags, and if you guys remember, like, it's a revision part. So here, if you guys remember that nav tags are used for navigation bars, and dev tags, there are various tags. So here I'm going to tell you how you can create a navigation bar with a basic file. So I just created a about.html page as well, and then I'm going to edit more into about.html. So I think I should not don't need of HTML. So let's just write an h1 tag and write common text in it. So I will be writing this is an about page or something. So about section, and I think let me write it first. You will know me here. So yeah, the section part is, as it's Visual Studio Code, it counts section as a tag. So section is also a tag, article is also a tag. So just remind it. Just you can write it, or you can just take it as a reminder. So here, if we need some spaces between the links, so I will be using add %NBSP. NBSP is for some spaces. So that's rapid thing to learn. Then more A tags, means professionally what we do is just copy them and just write it down. So whatever you want, I'm just typing it so that it can be easy for you. But if you are going to do it in just few minutes, so just copy them and paste them again and again. And I will be showing you some easy tricks over here. So just be continuous to this. So about HTML, and you can create a contact HTML page as well. Now just create a contact HTML page and just open it and just type whatever you want to type, like contact form or something. So making forms is another important thing in HTML, and forms are really important. Almost every website has forms. So what important thing in HTML5 is you have to learn div commands, anchor commands, image commands, and the next thing is form. So rest of the things are done by some bootstrap and all, but these are the basic commands. If you don't know the basic HTML and CSS, then you should not go ahead. So let's write and the services. Services will be a better thing. Services.html. So this will contain the services, and you can just add on how much you want. So this is typo. Yeah, just corrected it, and just can make another services.html. I will do the same as I did earlier, so you can just continue watching it. So here I guess NAV tag is over. I mean, I don't think I can add anything else in it, so it's more than enough. Let's make a heading, so that what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a boring web page. So the boring and lame web page is a nice heading, and then just make a paragraph tag. So h1, I mean the h tag, these 6 h tags are very much helpful, and paragraph tags are also very much helpful. So I will be using Lorem Text to create fake text, and that's everyone who use Visual Studio Code should know that how they can create Lorem Text. So you just need to type Lorem and just press enter, and it will create a fake text. And if you want more, less or more text, less or more Lorem text, then you can just go ahead and just type it Lorem 64 or 32 or 16. So it will just count the number of words, and then it will just give you the limited text. And this HR tag which I used here is for a horizontal row. It creates a line between the text, so it's just for differentiation. So, and then the image tag, so I will be finding an image. What I'm going to do is just search here boring images and something like that. So whatever I find a good image for what you like, let me search here. Maybe I find something important, a better one. I like this boy. Let's go on. Yeah, this dog seems better. Then down one. Yes, I found that. Just copy the image address and go into your code and just paste the src. The source image has various attributes. So image is a tag and attributes are source and alt. So alt is for if any issue is created and your image doesn't load, so alt will be something like it is denoting what type of image it is. So if one wants to know which image was it, so you can just add a alt in it. Now if I have an image, just create another h3 tag, so that it gives us something different thing. So we'll be writing let's cry in pain or something. Let's cry in pain because it's a boring day. So yeah, let's cry in pain because you forget HTML and you're watching this video or you're starting it. So it's just a rapid video where you can help. Let's not be so negative. Let's dive in cake. So it's a bit optimistic, I guess. Let's move on to the paragraph tags, and I will be again using Lorem. So it's my favorite, using Lorem again and again. It creates awesome text and it saves a lot of time, and that's why people use Visual Studio Code basically. So another thing is you can just add more HR tags, and I don't want this HR tag here. I will be removing this and just place it somewhere between this. So that's really nice. Now I guess it's completed, and I will be saving this, and all the other things are completed. So I will be pressing this go live button. If you don't have this go live button, you can just go and search the extensions over here. Go and search in your visual extensions like live server. Live server helps you in HTML, CSS and every other stuff. You can just download it, install it from here. It helps directly saves the file. You can just save in file and just click go live, and it will directly open the browser as it did here. So the image is here, and that's how a beautiful, it's not that beautiful, but okay, it's enough for the first time. So we created a navigation bar, contact form, services form, and this all, and a nice heading with some paragraph, a beautiful image, and then a dissection, the HR tags. Look at the HR tags, and then here's my code. All of them is here. So these spaces, extra spaces, they are not counted. So see you later guys, and hope you guys enjoyed it.